Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Linda Meyer and I'm coming at you with my little girl Ellie. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. I hope you are enjoying your short week. I hope you had a great weekend. We had a great weekend. We cleaned the house, right? We did some fun stuff. I went on a date with her brother Isaac, and that was fun. We went to go see that Axel movie. Yeah, it was good times. He had a good time at least. So anyways, I just had a couple of real quick reminders to tell you. The first one is that tonight is a due date for your work for Friday and Tuesday. I don't normally have work due on school holidays. You can watch her. I know, she's funny. I don't normally have work due on school holidays because I hope that you get to be a kid or work or do whatever it is that you want to do outside of school on your days off. So anyways, so I don't normally have stuff due. So just Friday and Tuesday's work, today's work. Second, if you missed that Meet the Teacher night last Thursday, I'm really happy for those of you that I did get to see. So nice to meet you. But if you did miss it, we have another program night. So it's just kind of introducing the online learning program from 6 to 7 in the Media Center at Barry Goldwater High School. You're going to want to come off of the Rose Garden entrance to the school to get there. It's just from 6 to 7. 6 to 6:30 is our formal presentation. Oh boy. And what do you call it? Then after that, it's just time if you want to talk or introduce yourself or something like that. So I'd love to see you or parents or both coming to that. Okay. And then finally, okay, hold on. I have one more announcement, okay? One more. Finally, we have open lab hours that are starting this week at both Barry Goldwater High School and Boulder Creek High School. Yes, I know. Okay, Ellie, no more. Okay. All right. Anyways, I know this is such a great idea to put her on camera, right? On Tuesday, today, we have them at Barry Goldwater High School and at Boulder Creek from 3 o'clock to 7. Usually they are there at Boulder Creek on Wednesday as well, but they won't be this week because we have our parent information night. You can check your global announcements on your dashboard. I know there was one sent out that's actually going to tell you when we have our hours. It's a calendar that you can see when we're going to be there. In terms of where I will be this week, I will be at Barry Goldwater High School from 3 to 7 o'clock on Thursday. So if you want to see me specifically for your class, or you want to just have a quiet place to do your work, please come on by. I'll be there with another one of my colleagues. So please let me know if you need anything. As always, send me a message. And yep, and I think Ellie's trying to cut me off because it's nap time. All right, so goodbye everybody.
Goodbye.
Bye.